Discovering the Baltic capitals. Imagine cobblestone streets whispering stories of a bygone era where vibrant cultures tantalized your senses. Immerse yourself in the captivating essence of Riga and Tallinn, two hidden gems nestled in the heart of the Baltics. Give a glimpse into the varied histories, traditions, and gastronomic delights of Tallinn and Riga to highlight their alluring essence. Riga, Latvia's alluring capital, boasts a legacy etched in stone. Wander through the UNESCO-designated Old Town, where the Gothic grandeur of St. Peter's Church stands sentinel and the House of the Blackheads whispers tales of a bygone era. Savor local delicacies like pierogi and rubbed maize bread, and gain an understanding of Latvian culture while reveling in the lively atmosphere of the Riga Central Market. Pay homage to Latvia's steadfast spirit by visiting the Freedom Monument, a soaring symbol of pride in the country. For a dose of artistic inspiration, explore the Latvian National Museum of Art or simply stroll along the banks of the Daugava River, soaking in the city's panoramic beauty. Leaving the captivating charm of Riga, start the journey north to Tallinn, a city where time appears to stand still within its magnificently preserved medieval walls. Ascend Toompi Hill, the upper town, and behold the architectural magnificence of the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Mingle with the locals in the lively town hall square, a testament to Tallinn's enduring vibrancy. Find serenity in the vast Kadriorg Park, a peaceful haven with immaculate gardens, and the beautiful Kadriorg Palace, the summer palace of the Russian Tsars. Start your gastronomic adventure with smoked salmon, substantial stews, and Vana Tallinn, a unique liqueur with a surprising kick that is Estonia's national drink. Embark on an unforgettable Baltic adventure and discover the breathtaking architecture of Riga alongside Tallinn's captivating fairy tale charm. The Baltics await good vibes only.